Using $2 clothesline pulleys and a few other inexpensive items, you can make your own barn door hardware. Begin by removing the black plastic from one side of the pulley. This does take a little effort, so don't give up. Once the black plastic is removed, the axle to the wheel will be exposed. You want to cut the end of the axle off. I used a Dremel, but you could also use a hacksaw to do this. Pull out the axle and remove the metal cylinder in the center of the wheel. Now we need to make the hardware. I used an 1/8 inch metal flat bar cut to size. To cut it, I used my circular saw with a grinding blade. Now clamp your cut metal bar to your work surface. Using your pulley wheel as a guide, mark on the bar where your wheel will be placed. I put a piece of scrap wood between the bar and my work surface, so when I drilled my hole, I didn't drill into the work surface. Once you have your wheel hole drilled, now you want to mark where your door will be attached to your hardware. Make sure you use a titanium coated bit to drill through the metal bar. Once all of your pieces are cut, spray paint everything black. To put your hardware together, thread a 1/4 inch washer onto a 1.5 inch hex bolt, then the flat bar, another washer, your pulley wheel, another washer, and then a locking bolt. Now your hardware is ready to attach to your door. Come back next week to see how I made the small doors to finish this project.